The social media I said adulterous women stop. Any adulterous women I catch, and they put up my body woto ogun bazian. Now, if to say this Owohan, the husband has, and they fuck him, I don't know. I can't find that now. Say she did husband has. I go listen to the beat her. That's what I don't want now. 2 years plus we are taking friend Owohan. Owohan not tell me say the husband has, and Owohan no. She's not even married. Owohan never married. Owohan never born. She's a single girl. You feel the vibes. Owohan is not married for abroad. Traditionally, she's not married. You see the one way they go to record her, call they from all those records, call they edit record, just to still bring my name down. If I want la like be kuwe kenogi, kewe, if don't get no ya soon for national peace to be. Moye baba with a smile talk on. I see the fake audio way Sylvia they edit this friend. Sylvia, moye baba with a smile. I told you when I'm ready for you. You go collect woto. You go know say baba with a smile. Now you hang up with you. This is my job. A lot of people want to date very dark man. They go to fuck very dark man for his house. They don't shame them let the talk to them very dark man than their boyfriend. Many girls did that. They did this media. Why you going to hide this chalk prick? You know if you both say the prick on your own. My God. That video not call you. We about you. She's not big. No, since she's not big, let me play her audio when I called her 2 days ago or 3 days ago, yeah. So you guys will hear from her. You don't understand what I'm saying? Sylvia. You are so shameless she-goat. You understand? It's sad you go back go.
Hello.
How are you? Hello, how are you?
Am I happy? Am I happy? Am I happy with me? No, so no, darling, because now where they you know, when they live here, when they are here, right from time. So I feel so somehow seeing myself on a with a very nasty word, many things. I'm not happy, I don't want to pretend at all. I'm not happy at all.
Okay, fine.
If I said I'm happy, I'm not happy.
You listen to that here.
The family see because of this issue.
Hold on, let me listen now that you understand? I'm not supposed to call you. I have the reason why I called you. Number one, my reason why I called you. Remember where did we have me with water? You told me that you are a married woman.
Because
I was surprised now where they are not saying it where you are the way you come out to say that you are married.
Those are bad space of Uber. They just change everything. This is crazy. This is crazy.
No problem. No problem. So no problem. It's okay. Because I was surprised.
With this man. And he can wear resources of Ogenugi. Real more equal the problem on Rockba. You know me right from time. It didn't want the problem on Rockba, more Baba.
No problem.
More.
No problem.
And it's a video and to back to a saga, equal the saga on Rockba.
I've heard you, okay? It's all good.
And anything, no, anything, then no, please. space.
Also, not that was the reason why I called. I just want to know because in the surprise, I'm not here where with those
Yeah,
who
watching
who water.
Yeah, watching
Yeah, Saka was that where we from wa. I was surprised where Umama Uru water. Where water. Maybe have a can be where Uru water. Maybe I've been fight against adulterous. But we are not a cook water. I was so shocked. That's the only thing why you are only back and a rubbish area alone. You know, I'm a joke. That's normal, but only back why you are.
Very disgusting.
No problem, it's all good. While I run.
Oh, mommy, I give you time.
All right, take care. Yeah.
Now, so we know. Now, first of all, let me go straight to this Owokan. For many of you doesn't know Owokan. A lot of them know. She based in Spain before. She was living in Spain. You understand? She's been with white women for the past decades of years. You feel me? So this woman is not a married woman, and everybody that know her in Spain know that this woman, she's not a married woman. Oh yeah. She's not a married, she just live with a man who adopted her for years, and that man give her documents. You feel me? So right from Spain for years, for decades of years. So there are things you don't know about somebody. And the truth I say, I always say it, what you don't know is bigger than what you know. That's the truth. For me, I will only tell you what I want you to know. You understand? This particular lady, she's a twins. They all in Nigeria. You understand? She's single, she's not married, she doesn't have any child. She's just single. She's a single girl. You understand? So, what's it called? Belekbele waiting for Paris. Belekbele of Paris nowhere. You and your so-called we know what money why I see I. No, but can I be like a live video? No, mind no be right. That's the reason why I just make just play this audio to debunk that your lies. You understand? And I believe many of you guys are here listen very careful and hear me more. But what is my dear? You know what one of sexual generations. Manake wa kwa watani. Who are we here? A good food is better than a doctor. You understand me now? If you like character to carry breast, and you don't get character, then go chop your bottle, suck your breast, dump you at the end. Just like waiting I do to Syria. You carry breast, you carry pecos when you wide. I chop to I suck breast, and I dump you. I go leave you for us. Go marry who qualified to be a wife. I went out there to marry a virtuous woman. Because you now use and dump. Because company use to dump you with Peking. Now no one can marry you. Foreigner chop you. Run leave you. A whole me now come marry a remnant. A remnant woman like you. You think I'm stupid. Right? Then you go look. As woman surrounded for social media. Go TikTok. There be 2 5 naira. Free of charge. You know who pay. They go send you money journal. They go fuel your tank. Now, too so low to go with you when they use bread, they find my potato. You when the company don't finish. You born for Gambia man. Boy, what are you saying, boy? Boy, what's your name, boy? Boy, what's your name, boy? Me here married with not boy. Where ekia enienia umozoda ya go he tegbe. When I feel ever been. When make a way I can go here gina or gina. On a saga. Don't even retire with social media now. Oh, the narrow veboyo. Oh, go bagaro way. Vemboyo. Oh, go banana any tie with me. Do you wait more well we are vembo? More time. Ah, most about the kias ye by ye. When I look be well. Yellow, okay, oh, beu. Ubeu shachik. Ese no ma so he. O si yen mu owo. Ifa bo ala egbe so ase wa street track. So mati bo biye wo biye mo de mo o biye ga hete mo ja mo bu mi ati do gbeje gbe ni do gwo ye o biye so he. ne so e bia Nigeria frustrate Nigeria o mo so e bu mi an no bu o so e kiyen kira oh God be a car Sylvia Love Siv only my Sylvia Lodge that's the name must be Sylvia Lodge when I say what you should you play that audio? No, you can't pause in there. I may even you what different now yo ogo no we are no what down yo ogo ne Sylvia we enogi ewi enogi kworo ni an woro wodo enogi potopoto down yo je
Hello.
Oh, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Am I happy? Am I happy? Am I happy with me no so darling because now where any way, you know. When I live here, when I near right from time. So I feel so somehow seeing myself on a with a very nasty word, many things. I'm not happy, I don't want to pretend at all. I'm not happy at all.
Okay, fine.
If I said I'm happy, I'm not happy.
It isn't good at you.
The family see because of this issue.
Hold on, let me.
There to be a man. Very my friend for 2 years plus. The family na we me. They to give me a cone we be a man. The family would fucking work on. That will be a name. A family would ask to get fucking work on. What are you saying? Don't you know the work I do when you were dating me? The family will my real life video presenter. You know what I mean? You understand? What are you saying? I said to him what another. You know me as a live video presenter. You loved me. We dated for long. Okay, let's even my friend when you don't allow no beer you way. Why you have family don't know beer no our mozo. You do agbo go be mozo, you do allow go be no mozo. What are you saying? The truth is this way. After I got married, you stepped down. We are still friends. That's the truth. The fact where on another day no see you you walking on Ladian. Because I don't know my picture. Or no see well Ladian. She knew she failed as a woman. At 2 weeks ago, we are still talking. When we are still talking, we still communicate. Why you have more fun? I'm not my wedding date. If I way you communicate, oh, can you congratulate me? You call into the video when I was dancing on that floor. You congratulate us. Who congratulate even? You were not hungry. It's my choice. After that, 2 weeks ago here, my way for 2 weeks see, there's another a man like another Guinea. What another Guinea like now? We'll still communicate. We are still talking. We are all laughing about this issue of this Guinea man. So there's a matter like social media. You knew where you are not a married woman. So why would you still solo? Well, you are changing. You are feeling you to tell them that you are a married woman for them to leave to stop saga you for what? When you know you are not married, then who are you going to break down? Where am I married? When you tell me where you are a married woman, when you know you are not married, when you know you are a single woman, when you want to impress, you want to impress. Then what do you expect people to say? Even they go every means to bring me down on social media. We believe we are married woman, when I believe we are married woman, and my way married woman don't sleep, you don't know the way. You think I'm not going to saga you? What I was saying? What I was saying? You are dating a lion. You're supposed to know you are dating a lion. For how long? Remember when I came to Sevilla? I know you when I was in Germany. You tell me now in Sevilla. Remember when I read Germany? So what I will say? Why? Oh, I see Motonata. How can you be dating a man that you're not proud with? And you call yourself a woman? You're a useless woman. Can you be following? Are you the fuck prick we enough they're proud of? Say they fuck this prick. Who born that person? You They don't chop price for your marriage. They don't pay your bride price. They tell me you go Karawa. For how long you buy where you are? When you know what I'm fighting against, that's an adulterous issue. Man, the pack we want to use my brain. Eh? Who you want to impress? Okay, as they say you be a married woman. Then they call live with the Kosaga you. When me and you don't say you never marry. When I am where whom I marry. Oh, yeah, they are disguised. You make us when you guys saga well. Mona Sakaran. Which one say you don't marry? Why you for marry? Have you get a man?